Hi guys, welcome back to Mimi Brown 317. It's a whole lot going on right now, y'all, so I apologize if y'all hear like a super loud TV. My daddy, we joke and say he's deaf because he can't hear. But anywho, I'm getting ready to, I have my kids like hidden in the back room right now so that I could wrap a couple of their gifts because, of course, you know, Santa brings... Hey! Santa brings gifts, but then also, you know, we buy gifts also. So I wanted to do like a cute little quick wrap with me. So I'm going to wrap up some of their presents, of course, because I have nosy children. So I'm going to wrap their gifts first, but then once I come back to start adding the little final details and stuff like that, I'm going to bring you along so that we can wrap these presents. Get out of there. So let me hurry up and do this because they calling all kind of people. And if everything looks different, it's because it is. I am at my parents' house. I'm home for Christmas. I love it. Anywho, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap those real fast and then bring you along once I bring the finishing touches. Of course. Hello, Bella. Okay. Anyway, all right. So see you in like 2 seconds and everything will be wrapped so that we can start making it so cute and kitty-fied and all of that. Y'all look. I don't really know how to wrap gifts. Mom don't want to be in a video, so she's like trying to hand me stuff. I don't know how to wrap gifts, but I know how to make them pretty. And my dad knows how to be really loud. Keep having to look to make sure they're not coming. Let's see. The things we go through. Cheers. Get my orange juice.
Give likes orange juice.
Has Collie in my reinforcement. She don't want to be on camera though. Cause I don't know how to wrap no presents. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is the struggle bus of gift wrapping. But we don't aim for perfection over here. Now that I have a few of the gifts wrapped, maybe not the most, you know, attractive wrapping going on here, but they're wrapped. And now I'm going to focus on adding some of all of this embellishment to make it super duper adorable. From Hobby Lobby, of course, all of their stuff is 60 or 70% off, I think, when I got this. So I have these little snowflake ribbon. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. These little jingle bells. Look how cute these tags are. So cute. And then I have this just because it was like sparkly and cute. And I just was like, yeah, why not? Then I bought some ribbon, some trim. What you doing in here? Get out of here. I think everything's wrapped at least. More ribbon. Shiny ribbon. Striped ribbon. Feel like Bubba. I got striped ribbon. Shiny ribbon. Velvet ribbon. Trim ribbon. I think that's about all the ribbon I have. Sounded like Bubba. Oh, plaid ribbon. All right, and then these little reindeer tags, Santa Claus, little hat tags. So we're just gonna figure out this, and then like I said, I have, what are these called, juniper? I think these are called juniper stems. And I just bought two because like I don't need to add like a whole thing of it to it. So I'm just gonna tear off a little piece and anyway, let's just get to it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do something. And I'm hoping that it's cute, whatever I do. Okay, and so here I just decided to wrap some of that trim around that I showed you, and I am struggling trying to make something look bowish. Y'all, I didn't realize making bows was so hard. Okay, so garland on the mantle and trying to make bows is super duper hard, but I just kept playing around with it, and I finally got something that looked bowish, very bowish, because it wasn't a bow. But by the time I hot glued it and added some more embellishments on there and just kept playing with it, y'all, just trust the process. It ain't perfect, but it's okay. I added some jingle bells to this string and it didn't want to jingle on down, so I had to use my scissors, but I finally got it on there and I just glued it on here and look, it's cute, right? Anywho, so now I'm just writing a name and I forgot which of my children it belonged to. But y'all, look, I only got two, but sometimes it's a struggle. So I just wrote the name on the back and hopefully when I open it, I've given it to the right child. Cutting some more string and taping it to the back and just coming up with some little stuff, okay? Here we go. Like a little, like a tree.
Yeah, I saw that on TikTok.
Okay, guys, so after all of that gift wrapping and changing my mind and using a hot glue gun and trying to make bows that I really don't know how to do, these are some of the beautiful ideas that my mother and I came up with, and they are very much whimsical and very much kid friendly, which is what I wanted. And they're not necessarily aesthetic and all of that, like that I do love to do, but they are very much kid friendly, and that's really what I just wanted for these gifts. Of course, there's going to be lots more, but I'm going to be honest, y'all got tired. But anyway, I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. I hope you will consider sticking around and watching some of my other videos and also sharing, liking, and commenting some encouraging words down below. Remember, taking the first step can be the hardest step, but it can also be the most rewarding. Go ahead, step out on faith, trust God to see you through, and know that everything else will fall into place. And while you're at it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos to at least 10 friends. Come on, y'all, help me out. But anywho, until next time, happy holidays. I wish you all good health and wealth, and I will see you soon in my next video. I love you. Bye.